Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Caddy. It's a panel van. It's also a Startline model. It's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 19 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. If any faults are found, we replace all the parts with genuine Volkswagen approved parts. Now for a walk around the Caddy. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. As you'll notice, it's also fitted with black bumpers. You'll also notice a nice chrome strip in the centre grille. This vehicle is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that this van is fitted with 15-inch steel wheels with VW centre wheel covers. Moving up to the mirrors and door handles on this van are black. Also, the mirrors on this van are also heated for cold winter months. To the passenger side, you will notice a sliding door. To the back of the front seats, you will notice that it's fitted with a bulkhead. As I move the video camera around, you will notice that the back of the van has been wood ply-lined, including the floor. At the back of the Caddy, you will notice rear wing doors with heated rear windows and a rear wash wipe. Across the rear bumper, you will notice that it's fitted with reverse parking sensors. The rear windows on this Caddy have been wrapped so you cannot see inside the load area. You'll also notice the Caddy badge and the VW emblem on the rear doors. Moving into the load area again, you will notice the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. You'll also notice a mesh grille inside the bulkhead for better vision. Across the floor, you will notice a carpet on top of the wood ply lining. Both doors have this door release catch, and this is the advantage of the catch. This Caddy has been painted in candy white. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides of the steering wheel. Both doors come with some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the van, you will notice the mesh top bulkhead. This is for better vision for the driver. You'll also notice 2 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. I have now finished my 360 walk around the Caddy. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in a driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice the electric window switches. Here we have the mirror switch. To the front, you will notice the headlight switch. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice media controls. To this side, you will notice the volume control switches. This Caddy has covered 16,702 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio section, you can change radio stations using the switches. Moving to the centre of the dash, you will notice the heater controls. This van is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 4-speed fan motor, and here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. Moving down from the heater controls, you will notice a 5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with DAB, FM and AM radio. This system is also set up for Bluetooth audio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, an AUX port, and you'll also find a USB and a 12-volt socket down here. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. Moving away from the media system, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Moving back, you will notice 2 handy cup holders. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Caddy panel van. It's also a Startline model. It's fitted with a 102 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used approved 19 plate Caddy van, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.